Yo, what's up YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I posted my last video. I know we haven't been uploading any family videos in the last minute. That doesn't make sense. Just before we kick things off, I'd like to shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you for supporting us, supporting the family and this channel. So much love to all you guys. So going back to what this video is about, super excited for this piece. Massive piece, huge piece, monstrous piece, exquisite piece, throw it up, whoa kind of piece. As you can see, we are in a new studio space. Because of COVID, we've had limited space in the house. Our house is pretty small. We had one of the rooms acting as an office space, and then we also had the brother-in-law living with us. As a family, it was kind of cramped. Because you asked, this is why the background is kind of different today. We are in our new studio. We are super stoked that we have this space now, or this dedicated space to mainly work from home, but then also to do some video editing. Anyways, super excited for this piece. Ordered this piece from Prime 1. In 3 weeks, it was at the door. I don't know what to expect from this piece. I know it's massive. Hopefully no issues. Fingers crossed. Touch wood. Don't do that again. Let's get into it, eh? Let's go. And here she is. Look at that. Yo. Been waiting for this guy for ages. Look how big he is. Yo. Wow, look at the detail. Damn, I don't know where I'm gonna place him. He's a bit big. My only nitpick would be I wish there was a second head sculpt. That's the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more family videos. And if you haven't already, join the team and subscribe. All right, let's go. Yo, you know I was just kidding, right? This is the piece. This is Bane versus Batman from Prime 1 Studios. But before we get into it, let's check out these art boxes. These art boxes are massive. So we have the shorter stubby one, and then the tall, sort of slim one. So these art boxes both have different artwork on it. This is the taller version. We've got Bane on the side, and then another image of Bane at the back. This guy here is pretty much the same back and front. I am 6'4", 6'5" on a good day, but these boxes are massive. Enough of that talking, let's get right into it, eh? Let's go. So during lockdown here in New Zealand, there were a few local businesses, you know, just trying to get work. And at that time I was looking for a turntable, right? The motorized turntable that most collectors use are stupid expensive. And because of COVID and the local businesses needing help and things like that, I thought I'd just support one of them. So I bought this wine barrel lid, converted it into a turntable from up north, up in Turntable. Look, you can tell. This one's the base. Shakers. Still haven't learnt from my other videos. Open this on. This one bottom. There's all doubt, all front doubt. Actually got a knife this time. I'm going to speed through all of this, get through this big box, which I assume is the base, and then I'll go through the taller box, which will probably be the body. I have not seen any unboxings, just because I don't want to ruin it for myself, and plus I've been anticipating this guy for a while. Yeah, I'm just going to go with the flow. Whatever happens, happens. Let's go, but please no issues. Let's go. All right, we are back. Both styrofoams have been opened and they've been sliced, they've been diced. They're lying on the ground. It's time to pick them up. I've had a little sneak peek at what they look like, and they are massive. So we're gonna start with the big box, or the big wide box, the one that you saw just before. That held the base. This base is no joke. I thought the Master Race had a big base, but this one takes it to a new level. All right, let's get this up. Oh, lost. Oh, yo, oh. This base is no joke. Oh, this is all doubts, all doubts. Shakers. Oh. Had to open the window. Okay, let's check out the number. We got number 65. Where's the turntable? Actual swallowed it. The turntable is 60 centimeters diameter, and this guy's just swallowed it. Yeah, I'm gonna take some time just to have a look and just admire this awesome bass. AKA have a rest because I am tired. There's marbles though. It's enough spinning of the bass, but I'm gonna try to attempt to put this guy together without the instructions. Typical guy. Oh, look at this guy. Yo, you seen this guy? Please, Lord. Whoa. Yo. This actually looks like a five-year-old kid. So now it looks like we've got these wood pieces that are color-coded. Typically, collectors would start from the bottom up, obviously, right? That's what I'm gonna do, base up. So these pieces of wood have been shattered during the fight between Bane and Batman. These are color-coded, which is super helpful. I'm gonna speed through all this because this is not the cool part. Red, and red here, silver, gold. So they don't magnetize, they kind of just sit in there, I'm guessing. Let's chuck the body on this guy. Surely he's not as heavy. Oh, Charlie. Yo. Check this guy out. I'm gonna fight you, buddy. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo. Charlie. Damn. Oh man, I haven't been this excited since Dark Knight. Whew. Yo, I'm looking at Superman now. He is like 3 times bigger than Superman and probably twice as big as Batman. And that's a big Batman. Prime 1, man. Look at that. Yo, that's got doubts for days. You know you have triceps when you're in this pose. Damn, son, all right. Nah, for reals though, for reals. For reals though. Yo. Surely. So if Livia was to come in, she'd be like acting up. He's like, oh, Bane, Bane, Bane. I'll be like, Bane. Ooh, snug. It's a pretty deep keying pig. Damn, son. Are y'all seeing this? You're witnessing the goat. You're witnessing greatness. He doesn't even have his head on. Go, go, Power Rangers. No blow. Yo, that's a powerful magnet. Orange. Where you at? Okay, so these 4 look like they're all like bunched up at the back here. This is probably the best bass I've ever seen. I haven't seen too many, but this bass could be a standalone statue. Got the bat's hand, nicely sculpted and detailed. So it's here, strong magnet. Yo, got Bane's Venom tank. Oh, Bane is easily my favorite DC villain. Most people like the Joker, but I love Bane, and he's the only one to break Batman, both physically and mentally. So it looks like we've got a few straps. This goes to the back. This one to the back. Every piece that goes onto this guy, he just gets bigger and bigger. So for the moment of truth, for those who didn't know, I grabbed the EX version. In my opinion, I thought this piece was an EX or fail. But first, let's check out the regular head sculpt. Let's go. Oh, fuck. This is a big ass head. Yo. So there you go. So there you go. Why am I doing this? Why? This is the regular head sculpt. Like I was saying before, in my opinion, this piece was an EX or fail. You also got these guys. No, they don't go around your neck. You're not going to a concert. So these tubes connect Bane's mask to his tank. I'm guessing from the tank to his arms to his gauntlet. But you know, we're fluking this. Let's go. One in the tank. And in the head. Shorts go hold into the head. So we get 2 short tubes and a long one. Short ones go from the head to the tank, and his arm to his gauntlet, just like that. And the long one is through his arm to the back. Yo. Damn. Yo. So there he is, guys. This is the Prime 1 Studios Bane versus Batman. This regular head sculpt just reminds me of the Nightfall Batman, and I think David Finch here with his artwork just depicted it just on point. But like I was saying before, in my opinion, this piece to me was an EX or fail. So let's check on the EX. Oh, yo. Wow. Yo, check this on. Yo, this guy and Batman had a good fight. What we want to do is just remove this tube. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I don't know. This guy might be staying on for life. Yo. Yeah, now this is a winner. Look at that. Yo, tell me that isn't badass. This guy is no joke. All right, peeps, thanks heaps for sticking around. I'm not much of a reviewer. There are plenty of reviewers out there on YouTube that review pieces. I'm more of a just experienced sort of guy. Like, what else can I say? Like, what most reviewers on YouTube have said, he's massive. Just the sheer presence of this guy. But before I let you guys go, if you're thinking of getting this piece here, and you live in New Zealand or Australia, do not get it. Get it only if you love this character this much. Not this much, but this much. Not this much, but this much. Shipping to get this guy here to New Zealand cost an arm and a leg. But if you love this piece like I do, and then obviously you'd get it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching another unboxing video from your boy. Promise, we will try to get some family videos out this year. If you haven't seen any of my other unboxings, please make sure to check them out. Somewhere up here, there. So if you like content like this, or you're like, nah, I don't like it, who plays with toys grow up, then do not subscribe. Subscribe to this family. Subscribe if you want to see family content, which will be coming this year. Please drop a comment if you really like this video, or if you have anything to say about this particular piece, or any questions. But yeah, have a great 2021. Stay blessed, stay safe, and let's go. You thought you were the man trying to take on me? No. What you gonna do now, my guy? I got your arm. Back in. Silly, you're not strong too.